Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kat with Kat Warren Photo. Let me ask you a question. Are you a photographer that is looking to grow your portrait portfolio but don't exactly know where to start? Or perhaps you've been in the game for a while but need more people to practice on? You're in luck today because this week's video discusses how to grow your photography portfolio by finding Instagram models in your local area. So, without further ado, let's roll right in. Okay, guys, so first things first, before you even reach out to anyone, you'll want to have a concept. So, ask yourselves the following questions: who, what, where, when, and why? Or, more specifically, what is the story? Is it going to be vintage or modern aesthetic? Will it have natural light photography, or will you incorporate off-camera flash with it? Where is the location going to be? Are you going to need any props to go with it? What's the time of day? What scenes will you incorporate? All of these questions and more will help benefit you with your concept. Second, find inspiration. You'll want to find some inspirational photos, whether by going through Pinterest or perhaps doing a simple Google search. Or maybe you watched a particular movie scene just the other day, or even saw a piece of artwork at a museum that inspired you. Take note of what in particular inspired you and incorporate that into your concept. Additionally, I have some inspirational images that will not only benefit you, but will also help your future model envision what you already have in mind. More to follow on that. Okay, guys, so the next step is the fun part. Let's find a model that fits your story. By now, you will have already created some type of character archetype for your shoot. Hopefully, you have a particular look in mind. So, with that being said, it's now your job to find this person. Let Instagram do that work for you. You'll first want to go onto Instagram, then go to the search command and type something like quote unquote local models or whatever your hometown or city model is. Then scroll through the results and see if anyone would be a good fit for your concept. So for instance, in my particular case a few years ago, I wanted to do a Lady Godiva shoot in San Diego. I needed someone with natural beauty, long wavy hair, with an edge to her. I did the exact same thing and found Lindsay. Now, once you find him or her, go to their page and send them a DM. In your write-up, include the following: an introduction, use his or her first name if possible. This personalizes the message. Second, talk about something unique about them. Third, give them a call to action. Quote unquote, for instance, check out my profile and let me know if you're interested to collaborate, unquote. And then last but not least, thank them for their time. Most times, unless they're already friends with you on the platform, these DMs will usually go to the chunk box. So go back to their profile page, click on their latest post, and then comment on the following: also, take note of the date of their latest post or reel. Any date older than 3 months, you gotta be wary. They may not even have an active account by then. So I recommend finding another model at that point. Now it's shoot time. I introduced myself to Lindsay several years ago. Since then, we've had several fun and amazing portrait shoots throughout this time and honestly have become good friends in the process. Honestly, I love the connections I make with people, and it just goes to show you that you can definitely make genuine connections by initially reaching out online. If you're looking to practice your photography while growing your portfolio, find people online by using this technique. Of course, be safe, be a good judge of character. If you liked this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly photo tips. This is Kat with Kat Warren Photo. Take care, y'all. Until next week.